Welcome to Reddish Toy Garage. Today we're doing a toy opening. Is this Bubbles? And let's see. So it's Bubble Fun. It's just like this says, Bubble Fun. So I'm thinking this comes with Bubble Fine disc with dipping tray. This is cool.
It is.
We'll open that after the toy openness. Ooh. What's this? What is it? Launch and catch ball. Oh, wait, the ball makes sense. There's the ball and all that stuff. There. Okay, I got to open this. I can't help myself. This looks so cool.
I wonder how long they're gonna last.
Okay, it's my favorite. Whoa! Look at Spider-Man. Thanks for the burger. Oops. 3, 2, 1, jump! Whoa! Whoa! Marshmallows!
Look what's inside the marshmallows right now.
What? Stuffed puffs. I think. I don't know why I said marsh.
Classic milk chocolate.
Whoa!
Chocolate inside.
Cool. Wait, is this not about Nerf? Wait, what is this? What's in this bag you got? Whoa!
It's a Nerf gun keychain. I want to see what it looks like too. Which one do you think you have? Go on the back. I think you got that
blue
one.
one.
Yeah, that's the same one I was saying. Let's see which one it is.
Because blue's my favorite. Okay. Oh, I got
which
red.
one? Turn around. Oh, it's the mega one. I knew I should have picked that one.
Ooh, what's this?
A light bar for your room. Yeah.
I'm able to open it. Oh.
Let's see your light bar. It has a remote control.
All right, now go to the next open toy stuff. Whoa, what is this?
They have that all over TikTok now, so we get to play the game. It's a bubble popper. This good for when you're in school too.
Oh, what's in this one? Whoa, what is this? Whoa.
The eyeball, squishy eyeball.
Alright. Minecraft!
Go out there and get your face out inside.
Whoa.
I'll leave it right there.
I'm opening it. Oh, you got the black bags. What is this? Oh, we got the Phantom. Yeah, Phantom.
I don't know who that is, but okay.
Alright. Another one! Whoa!
Hope it's not the same one.
Hopefully. I want to get this special one. I wonder who's this? Maybe Steve. I don't know. Maybe Steve or something like that. Oh, we got a cow. A mushroom cow. I don't know what it is. I don't know. Ooh. I'm curious. This sounds really
What is it?
silly. I think it's gonna be Marvels. It really sounds like it. Alright, just in case. Whoa! My favorite! Jelly beans!
I like it.
Ooh, this looks small. What is this?
Oh, What is it? Huh?
Transformers! Alright, let's take it out. Whoa!
Who is it?
I think I can't tell. Gotta put it on.
It's yellow, so I don't bumblebee.
No, got look, it has blue on it. That's blue. Whoa, headphones!
With the lights.
Bye, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Click this red button to subscribe to my channel. Bye!